Good noon to everyone. This is Dr. D. Kritika, Department of Commerce with Computer Application, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. A warm welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn to. Thank you for your subscription and keep on watching with the playlist. Please enjoy and get more information. Today we are going to update with another playlist regarding your management, that is your principles of management. So here in your principles of management, the first video we are going to discuss is regarding your nature of your management. As you all know, the management is nothing but essential, that is a process of organizing, directing the resources to achieve a specific goal, that is defined as your management. So this involves people, finance, material, equipment, and as well as the information. The managers are responsible for the planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. So these resources are to ensure that they are used efficiently and effectively. So when the main material and resources, all the resources are utilized properly, effectively, and efficiently, we can say that the management is done very organized manner. So the nature of management is understood with the several key characteristics. One is regarding your universal process. The management exists wherever there's group effort towards a goal. There should be a common goal to be attained. So, be in a business, non-profit, or your government agencies, or even in your personal projects, it's not limited to your specific field or industry. The next nature is regarding your goal oriented. The core purpose of any management is to predetermined objectives. So we are working on the basis of your objectives nowadays. So without any objectives, we cannot attain the goal. So these goals to be very clear, measurable, and achievable. And again, the next one is regarding your interconnected functions. That is, management involves several interconnected functions like planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. They work together to achieve the desired outcomes. Okay? Next one is regarding your continuous process. The management is not a one-time activity, it's ongoing to be on a cycle. So as circumstances changes, the goals evolve, and the new strategies need to be implemented, make it a continuous process, and it has to be a purely a people centric. While the managing resources is crucial, the human element is arguably the most important aspect, that is motivating, leading, and developing the individuals are the key responsibilities of your successful managers. And again, it should be dynamic and adaptable, that is the landscape is constantly evolving, requiring managers to be adaptable and flexible, so they need to adjust their strategies and approaches based on the changing marketing conditions. Intangible force, the efficient management might not be directly visible, its impact is tangible. So if it manifests in efficient operations, high employee morale, and ultimately achieving the organizational goals. Then universal principles with contextual application. While some fundamental management principles hold true across the diverse contexts, their application needs to be adjusted based on the specific organization culture and industry. Then evolving field, the management practices and theories are constantly evolving, incorporating new ideas and adapting to the changing landscape. Continuous learning and development are essential for the managers to stay relevant. So these are all the very important topics regarding your nature of your management, what we have dealt now. So I repeat it again to you very clearly regarding what is management. So the management is with the men and material resources, to be very clear. So managing the men as well as the materials, equipments, and that is your finance, information, everything what we have gathered all together, we are going to achieve and work for a common goal. So our common goal attainment is most important. For that purpose we are going to work. So the area in which we are going to work, it has to be done in an effective and efficient manner. For that purpose we are going to check out what are the various nature of your management. So here the nature of the management includes the various characteristics. I like let me highlight. One is your universal process, another one is your goal oriented, and next one is interconnected functions, continuous process, people centric, dynamic and adaptable, intangible force, universal principles with contextual application, and then evolving field. So these are all the various areas which we have to concentrate properly for the efficient and effective working of your management. Thank you so much for watching. uh, Keep on watching with all the other videos. It will be very useful for you to understand what is the basics regarding your management, and also the updated knowledge regarding